Surviving the Wild. 10 Tips for Solo Forest Exploration. Welcome, my fellow adventurers. Are you ready for a wild and crazy ride? We're about to embark on a journey of epic proportions, full of thrills, spills, and plenty of excitement along the way. So strap on your backpacks and let's get ready to face the great unknown. Remember, the only way to survive in the wild is to be brave, bold, and just a little bit crazy. Let's do this. 1. Pack for the wild. Ensure you pack enough food, water, and clothing suitable for the wild forest terrain. Additionally, consider carrying a map, compass, first aid kit, and a multi-tool, as these items will be crucial in survival situations. For more tips, check out our previous video on 10 important things you should know before your trip. 2. Choose a safe campsite. Scout out a safe campsite where you can set up your shelter away from hazards such as dead trees, animal dens, and unstable ground. Ensure your campsite is well ventilated to prevent suffocation and close to a water source. 3. Build a sturdy shelter. Build a sturdy shelter using natural materials such as branches, leaves, and vines. Have you ever tried it? Let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Shelter will protect you from the elements, keep you warm and dry, and offer a secure place to rest your head at night. 4. Build a fire. Build a fire to keep warm, cook your food, and scare off any wild animals. Ensure that you have a good supply of dry kindling, and keep your fire under control to prevent it from spreading. 5. Find safe water sources. Locate a clean water source such as a stream, river, or lake. Boil or treat the water with chemicals to prevent waterborne illnesses. 6. Learn to hunt and fish. Learn basic hunting and fishing skills to supplement your food supplies. Use natural bait and traps to catch your prey, and ensure that you know how to gut and cook your catch. 7. Stay alert. Stay alert at all times and be mindful of your surroundings. Keep your eyes and ears open, and use your intuition to assess any potential threats or danger. 8. Avoid harmful plants and animals. Know which plants are edible and learn how to identify venomous snakes and insects. Always keep a safe distance from dangerous animals such as bears and mountain lions. 9. Stay positive. Stay positive and keep your spirits up. Focus on the beauty and wonder of nature, and embrace the challenge of survival. 10. Don't give up. Don't give up, no matter how tough it gets. Remember that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, and keep pushing forward until you reach your destination. Well guys, that's all for today. We've made it through the wilds of the forest, and we've come out on top. I hope you learned as much as I did, and that you're feeling just a little bit braver than when we started. Remember, life is an adventure, and the only way to make the most of it is to embrace the crazy, go with the flow, and never be afraid to take risks. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep laughing. And don't forget to subscribe if you liked our video. Until next time, enjoy your days.